Welcome to the best auto repair shop in Allentown. No one wants to have to deal with car problems, but sometimes life happens. And when you need to have your car serviced, we can help. We do lube, oil, and filter changes, brakes and tires, electrical system, air conditioning, pre-purchase checkup, factory scheduled maintenance, engine light diagnostics, and much more. If there is something wrong with your car, we can fix it. So when you need your car serviced, give us a call. We'll make sure it's done right, on time, and on budget. Call the number on your screen today to book an appointment.